Assalamualaikum everyone. How are you all guys? I wish you all are in good health by the bless of Almighty Allah. And my name is Aran Alam Farhan from Aryan Art Academy. Today I am going to show you guys how to make a birthday greeting card. So today I think that I will show you how to make this birthday greeting card because today is my birthday. 19 March is my birthday. So I tried to show you guys how to make a simple birthday greeting card. And if you are new in my channel, so subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for the getting new notification of my channel. And please give the like button of my video, and if you don't like my video, so you can give a dislike to my video, and of course do the comment what you want in my channel and how was my video. So let's go and see how to make a birthday greeting card.